Today I'm working on a Bobcat 324, and I just wanted to help some people and basically show them where the grease points are on these machines to make it a bit simpler. So this is an open cab unit. Basically when you walk to the front of the machine, you have 3 grease nipples right at the very front of your base, the left track. It gives you basically hour ranges of when they expect it to be greased, so 50, 50, and 10 hours. At this point in time, you have 3 at the very, very front of your base controls. At the very bottom, when you come down to your actual blade of your machine, there's a grease nipple right here. This one will actually lubricate the blade from going up and down, so that way it doesn't wear out the bushings in the pin. Then, on your actual cylinder that lifts it up, there's one here. There's also one back in here. On the opposite side of your blade, I'm gonna have to walk around. There's also another one down here. So this would get basically the front half of your machine for the bottom lower base greased. So the 2 on the other side will do your turntable, and it will also do your turntable, your swing cylinder for your excavator bucket, and it will also grease the rotator on the back half of the side. When you come to the top of the machine, and you come to, I call it a wedge, but there's probably another proper term for it. Basically, come to the front wedge, and on your actual curl cylinder to bring the stick up, there's a grease point at the top. As you come down, there's another grease nipple right here. It's kind of hidden, but it's right in between your hose wraps, and then on your opposite side, right there. Then, as you come up to the top, you have another grease nipple here at the very top of your cylinder. So as you follow the boom up, there's one in here. And then as you jump to the other side, there's another one side by side with it. Then as you follow down your boom, there's one right here at the very end. Then as you follow the boom a little bit further down, you have another grease nipple. And then on this section, your grease nipples are actually on the bottom half. So 1 and 2. And then on this side of the pin, there's an actual grease nipple in the pin, and another grease nipple in the pin. And then for your bucket cylinder pins, it's actually on the opposite side. One here and one here. At this point in time, you also have ones for your thumb, which are right here and right there. And then as you come down to the end of your thumb cylinder, there's another one here. And at this point in time, you've basically gone over every grease point on your machine. To know the hydraulic fluid level, and every Bobcat maintenance manual will say what the hydraulic level should be. So with the bucket flat on the ground and completely extended all the way out, with the blade down, you basically have to come across and you need to check your hydraulic fluid level, which is in the back door, right at the top. Anywhere from half to full is okay.